Hey everybody, Ian here at TradeStalker.com with your recap for March 10th, 2016. If you take a look at the green levels here and the red levels here on the screen, these are the levels that Mike has given, the green as support and the red as resistance from the prior day as a game plan to go forward. If you take a look at the market, we gapped open slightly and came back to test the open gap here before moving higher. And as you can see, initially the first resistance level, we did get a quick rejection off of it and then moved higher, but then this 2003 to 2004 level was excellent resistance. It capped the market, and you can see this the spike up here gave you a chance to get in. Mike was talking about trading it, I believe, when this happened. Came down and you did get a bounce off this this resistance level that has now become support at 97.5 to 98.5 before we continued down lower. Once we broke down through this 92 to 93 level on this big bar and it came back up, it was a great place to get short right here when the previous support or resistance support now became resistance, and that took us down all the way down to 83 to 82 level. The 82 level did get breached, but you could still see that once it came back up, it acted as support where you did get a decent bounce, and then that broke through. And when it broke through the next level down, it took us down to 76. You can see how the market basically bounces from level to level, which is really one of the benefits of having these levels in front of you. And that's exactly what happened in the next price action segment right here. When the market moved up, it moved back up to the 82 to 83 level, and you can see that after breaching it over here, it acted as great resistance right here. It took you down back to this level again where it stalled for a bit and then continued down lower back to the 71 and 72 level. So at the 71 and 72 level, we formed a double bottom here and broke back up, and I do believe Mike was talking about the double bottom came up, and you can see again how what was previously support over here now works perfectly as resistance. You only had about a tick of heat on this, barely any heat, with a stall and plenty of time to get in, and that took you down from the 76, 77 level back down to 72, 71 level, where again it became support, and actually this time you had no heat, and that was the low for the day. And as the market bounced up, you could see it did retest this 92 to 93 level, and it acted once again as excellent resistance right here, coming off almost 10 points. And you can see now we're coming into the close, and we're basically sideways between these two levels right here. So you can see the levels are really helpful. Having Mike's guidance in the chat also helps to know how to use those levels. And as always, we recommend you picking up Read the Greed Live to further understand some of the setups that Mike is looking at himself. There's also dynamic levels as well as the static levels that he gives. So it gives you a good strong trading plan so you can be the best trader possible. If you have any questions, you can hit us up as always at TradeStalker.com, and we'll look forward to doing one of these again for you soon. Thanks.